Fuck. It's your boy Sway back at another freaking video. You already know what I'm saying. Got a little power to that motherfucker. But it's your boy Sway back here at another freaking video, man. Just a little cruise, about to go hoop, so I'm gonna just put the GoPro on and just give y'all a look, you know, engine sound, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to your boy Mike. Trying to see which way I want to take. See this way I want to take. Let me stop chewing my gum so loud too. Yeah. But yeah, man, I'm about to go hoop with some boys. I ain't hooping in a minute, get a little workout in, you know what I'm saying? And drive this car. Cause my headers come tomorrow. So headers come tomorrow, man. This car gonna be so loud. I might put the headers on tomorrow. I don't know. Nah, I'm gonna just put everything on at once. But oh, look at that. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that right there. Are you gonna get on my finger or are you gonna keep crawling? But yeah, man. A little cruise to the hoop with some boys. Straight engine sound, no traction control on. And yeah. Hopefully y'all like the video. Video's been going crazy too, especially the last video. I don't know if I should go that way or this way. Fuck. I'm trying to see which way I want to go for real. I don't know what way I want to go. Yeah, stuck at every light. Boy, the pops on my car lately been crazy. I don't know what the freak going on, but they been stupid. Is that 12 on? Ladybug. Dang, I got good luck. Good luck today. I see a ladybug right here. It's crawling right here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Yep, it's coming in here. Oh, yep, these are the good ones. These are the orange ones. Come here. Bring it here. 61K miles on this car, man. And like 5K on the engine. The car sounds so fucking good. So freaking good, man. The headers come tomorrow. I got the cam. I got the pulley. Shit's gonna sound nuts. Shit's gonna sound nuts, man. It's gonna sound crazy, man.
There's like so much shit that
I gotta make sure no cops over here. Damn, did I just run a light? Nah, not that. I think those ZL1 is literally the best bang for your buck, bro. Like, supercharged, it's fast, it's a great track car. Honestly, it's a great like just drag car too, honestly, ish. But I like tracking though. I like going around winding roads and stuff like that. So yeah, I like doing that. But you can mod these things and make them fast as hell. So like. They be fast though. Police station literally right here. Can't really do much. You know what I'm saying? The fuck, she flipped me off. You should have went out faster or not went out. Give a fuck about her. The fuck? How you gonna get mad at me because you can't drive? You gotta make a decision. You gonna get hit or not get hit. Simple stuff. The fuck? She should have came behind me. The fuck? Just flip me off for no reason, because you can't drive. How you gonna flip me? How you gonna flip me off because you can't drive? It's crazy. over now. This might be 12. I don't know if that's 12 or not though. It is though. I never did that, but it's whatever. That was reckless, I'm not gonna lie to you. That wasn't reckless though, I had to get over. Sunset. I just paid my insurance today, sadly. Fucking always sucks paying insurance. But hey. Toyota no lights, they in ghost mode right now. Oh, they're going all the way over, huh? Woo. Look, y'all respect Toyotas. I got a Toyota myself. But you're going too slow, buddy. Yeah, I'm about to get in front of you right here, brother. I ain't gonna lie to you. Those are peanuts right there on the ground that's shaking. That Supercharger just screams. Sunset, Supercharger screaming. It's a good day today. Thank God. Everybody that be watching my videos still, if you don't believe in God, try to find a way to believe in Him. But He is a big thing, a big part of my life. You know? Try to find ways to believe in him, talk to him, get a relationship with him. If you got a relationship with him, get a stronger relationship with him. There's a lot of people here. Well, we're at the location that I go hoop at sometimes. It's at a church, actually. Next to the ZL6, because we both have the same. We could both have the same engine, so. ZL6, my boy ZL6 right here. Ooh, pink shorts, perfect. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that video though. Gotta get my shoes out the phone and my shoes. Where's my car? Oh, turn off. Oh, there we go. All right, man. Here's my boy ZL6. Almost got a ZL6, but the ZL1 is just my favorite color or my favorite car. So I had to get the. You know what I'm saying? I had to get the. Had to get the ZL1, man. But I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one eventually with the chrome wheels like this too. But look at the new tail lights, boy. Look at the new tail lights. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but them boys hard. But yeah, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to your boy. You know, man. It's like a little short little video, man. So hope y'all boys have a good day, boys and girls, and I'm out, man. Peace.